What's your name?
Marianne.
Shamaria what?
Asa.
What's my name?
Getcha.
What's your nana name? What's your nana name?
And my dad and
Nana's. What's Nana real name?
Tiny.
What's your grandma real name?
That and Daddy.
What's your uncle name? Uncle who?
Auntie.
What's Juju real other name?
Jay.
What's Nene other name?
My name.
Who live with Nana?
Dad.
No, yeah. What's Nana's boyfriend name?
Ken.
What's Nene's mama name?
My T.
Mama T. Who live with Mama T?
Nene.
And who else?
My name.
And who else?
Me.
And who else?
Dene.
Dene. How old are you?
2.
How old are your brother?
3.
He 3.
4.
What's brother daddy name?
Huh?
What's brother daddy name?
Beak. B.
What's brother's daddy?
Huh?
Who brother daddy?
David.
David.
David back.
David. Who broke your toy?
Come on.
What Kwame do to your toy?
Back head.
He broke the head. How did he do it?
Twisted head.
He twisted the head. He did.
You bust him a purple. You
What,
bust him a purple back door.
what Uncle T tell you when he see you?
He said, Fat Jaws.
Fat Jaws. He do.
He said, Fat Jaws, Fat Jaws. Mama, come on, I want candy.
You want candy now?
I want orange.
Orange. Okay.
Come on.
Where we going?
Get my orange.
Get your orange.
Come on.
I'm coming.
Said, come on.
You said come on. I'm your mama.
Take that out.
Take that off.
Take this out.
You don't want to be on the camera no more?
No.
No.
No more.
No more.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, pee-pee? Where you pee-pee at?
Mama.
What?
Take this out. Yeah.
You scared? Why you scared?
In my face.
It's in your face. You don't want it in your face no more?
No.
No. Okay. Tell them bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.